In this video, I'm not going to tell you how to fry fish. I'm just telling you how to make a healthy fish. It's a common perception among Eastern people that they like to eat deep fried fish until they make it crispy and spicy. They don't feel taste in fish, but it just a taste. This kind of method don't give you actual healthy benefits. So keep watching this video till the end and learn how to prepare a healthy fish at home. Let's first take a look of eating fish benefits. Fish are not only fascinating creatures that live in our oceans, rivers, and lakes, but they also offer incredible benefits when we include them in our diets. Fish are packed with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. They provide us with a vitamin D, which is crucial for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Fish also contain iodine, which supports our thyroid function. Eating fish is great for our hearts. It's rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which help lower the risk of heart diseases. Omega 3s can reduce inflammation and improve the health of our body vessels. Our brains love fish. Omega 3s in fish are beneficial for our brain function and can even boost our mood. Particularly fatty fish like salmon and trout contain nutrients like omega 3s and vitamin A that are good for our eyes. Fish provide us with vitamin D and calcium, which are essential for strong and healthy bones. Fish is a lean source of protein, meaning it's low in unhealthy fats. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Fish can contribute to beautiful skin and hair. Wash fish properly, apply flour with vinegar on it, then leave it for 5 minutes, then wash it. Just add coriander powder, cumin powder on it, like 1 teaspoon, add half teaspoon black pepper and garam masala, and ajwain like carom seeds powder. 1 teaspoon salt. It's better to add less salt because the fish is naturally salty. I took 2 kg fish, so it depends on its quantity, and then you will mix it very well with your hand. So here we are going to make a healthy fish. Here is a pan, and we don't use lots of oil in the pan. Just I will add 2 tablespoon oil, and then I spread it with this spoon, and you have to spread this oil properly on the all sides of the pan. Okay, so you can make this fish in oven as well, but I am making it instead of oven, and it is just like oven. Okay, or you will, so when you will put all the pieces of the fish inside the pan, you have to cover the lid properly. And now I think this is done right now. Okay, and you are going to make it on the medium flame, and medium flame is necessary that it will be done properly, like the one side of the fish will be done. Now I'm just putting 4 or 5 pieces in the pan, and then I will cover the lid, and you have to leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just turn it back, then leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just telling you, the thing is that you are making the fish, you are preparing the fish within 20 minutes. Cook fish according to this method. This is a healthy method for you. Okay, so now here Fish is ready to serve. Spread it on tissue paper so that the extra oil can absorb. Fish are a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. So don't be afraid to dive into a tasty plate of fish and enjoy all the goodness it brings to you. Okay, so I hope that you have liked my this video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video, and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching.